Hello, welcome to another Filipino grammar lesson here on Talk to Me in Tagalog. This lesson is about the word tuwing. Tuwing. The word tuwing means every time in English. Tuwing also indicates a recurring period of time. Tuwing is used with a specific time of day, periods of the day, days of the week, months of the year, occasions, and seasons of the year. Here's an example of tuwing with a specific time of day. Tuwing alas 4. Tuwing alas 4, meaning every 4 o'clock. We have a video on how to tell time in Filipino in case you haven't seen it yet or if you want to brush up on it. Next, we have tuwing alas 6 ng umaga. Tuwing alas 6 ng umaga. Every 6 o'clock in the morning. Tuwing plus periods of the day. Tuwing madaling araw. Meaning, at every dawn or at every break of dawn. Next, we have tuwing umaga, every morning. Tuwing tanghali, every noon. Tuwing hapon, every afternoon. Tuwing gabi, every night. And tuwing hating gabi, every midnight. Tuwing plus days of the week. Tuwing Lunes, every Monday. Tuwing Martes, every Tuesday. Tuwing Miyerkules, every Wednesday. Tuwing Huwebes, every Thursday. Tuwing Biyernes, every Friday. Tuwing Sabado, every Saturday. And tuwing Linggo, every Sunday. Tuwing plus months of the year. I will read each one of them for the sake of those who want to hear how they are pronounced by a native Tagalog speaker. Tuwing Enero, every January. Tuwing Pebrero, every February. Tuwing Marso, every March. Tuwing Abril, every April. Tuwing Mayo, every May. Tuwing Hunyo, every June. Tuwing Hulyo, every July. Tuwing Agosto, every August. Tuwing Setyembre, every September. Tuwing Oktubre, every October. Tuwing Nobyembre, every November. Tuwing Disyembre, every December. Tuwing plus seasons of the year. Tuwing taglamig, every winter. Tuwing tagsibol, every spring. Tuwing tag-init, every summer. Tuwing taglagas, every fall. Tuwing tag-ulan, every rainy season. Tuwing tag-araw. Tag-araw is another Tagalog word for summer, so tuwing tag-araw also means every summer. Tuwing plus occasions. Tuwing kaarawan, meaning every birthday. Tuwing anibersaryo, every anniversary. Tuwing Pasko, every Christmas. Tuwing bagong taon, every New Year. Tuwing araw ng mga puso, every Valentine's Day. Here are 4 exceptions to the rule when using tuwing. Make sure you keep this in mind, otherwise your sentences won't make sense. You can't put tuwing and araw together if you want to say every day, because there is a Tagalog word for every day, and that is araw-araw. Araw-araw, every day. The same goes for every week. You can't say tuwing linggo because you learned previously that tuwing linggo means every Sunday. So how do we say every week in Tagalog? It's linggo-linggo. Linggo-linggo, every week. Every month is buwan-buwan. Buwan-buwan. So it's not tuwing buwan, but buwan-buwan, every month. Every year is taon-taon. Taon-taon. I hope everything is clear. Let's now study some sentences to apply what you have just learned about the word tuwing. Our first sentence is, masaya ako tuwing nakikita kita. Masaya ako tuwing nakikita kita. Meaning, I'm happy every time I see you. Bakit iba-iba ang sagot mo tuwing tinatanong kita? Bakit iba-iba ang sagot mo tuwing tinatanong kita? Why do you give me different answers every time I ask you? Nalulungkot ako tuwing umuulan. Nalulungkot ako tuwing umuulan. I feel sad every time it rains. Nawawalan tayo ng selula ng balat tuwing naghuhugas tayo ng kamay. Nawawalan tayo ng selula ng balat tuwing naghuhugas tayo ng kamay. We lose skin cells every time we wash our hands. Nag-aalmusal ako tuwing alas 7 ng umaga. Nag-aalmusal ako tuwing alas 7 ng umaga. I eat breakfast every 7 o'clock in the morning, or I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Pumupunta sa kapihan si Joel tuwing hapon. Pumupunta sa kapihan si Joel tuwing hapon. Joel goes to the coffee shop every afternoon. Nananalangin si Jose tuwing gabi. Nananalangin si Jose tuwing gabi. Jose prays every night. Aside from tuwing gabi, Tagalog has another word for every night, and that is gabi-gabi. Gabi-gabi. So it's also correct to say nananalangin si Jose gabi-gabi. But let's stick to tuwing gabi for now because it's the topic of our lesson. Naglalaba si Jeffrey tuwing linggo. Naglalaba si Jeffrey tuwing linggo. Jeffrey does his laundry every Sunday. Sumasamba kami tuwing Huwebes ng gabi. Sumasamba kami tuwing Huwebes ng gabi. We go to church every Thursday night. Ang mga bata ay may isang linggong pahinga tuwing Abril. Ang mga bata ay may isang linggong pahinga tuwing Abril. The children have a week off from school every April. Gustong-gusto kong bumiyahe tuwing taglamig. Gustong-gusto kong bumiyahe tuwing taglamig. I love traveling every winter, or I love traveling in the winter. Masarap maghalo-halo tuwing tag-init. Masarap maghalo-halo tuwing tag-init. It's nice to have halo-halo every summer. Masaya sa Pilipinas tuwing Pasko. Masaya sa Pilipinas tuwing Pasko. It's fun in the Philippines every Christmas season, or it's fun in the Philippines during Christmas season.